Have you ever wondered how a casino never loses money over the long term? It is not because they are lucky. It is not because they have a secret cheat code. It is simply because they have a mathematical edge. Every single game in that building is programmed to give the house a slight probability advantage. When you trade binary options based entirely on your gut feelings, you are the gambler playing against the casino. But what if you could flip the script? What if you could become the casino? What if you could use an algorithm that gives you the mathematical edge instead? Before I show you exactly how to build that edge today, I need to remind you about our massive monthly funding event. On the first of every single month, I am giving away free trading capital to our most dedicated viewers. But the entry process is strictly automated now. To qualify and have the backend system automatically add your name to the giveaway list, you must do 5 specific things. You need to like this video, leave a comment about your trading journey below, subscribe to the channel, watch this entire video from start to finish without skipping a single second, and join our community group. Do all 5 of those steps, and the system handles the rest. The first of the month is coming fast, so make sure you are on that verified list. Welcome back to the channel. As we push further into 2026, the markets are getting incredibly fast. If you are still looking for a Quotex 1-minute strategy 2026 that relies on drawing 5 different trend lines and staring at a screen for 10 hours, you are falling behind. Humans simply cannot process volume, delta, and momentum as fast as a machine can. People search all day for things like how to win every trade sure shot in Quotex, hopping to find a secret glitch that makes them a millionaire. Let me save you the trouble. There is no glitch. There is only data and probability. Today, I am giving you access to the same data analyzing tool that professionals use. It is a highly tuned Telegram bot that connects directly to the market data feed. To get it, listen closely. I have placed the official link in 2 secure places. It is located in my channel bio, and it is also in the pinned comment right below this video. Do not use random links you find on the internet because there are many fakes. Go directly to the bio or the pinned comment, click the link, and open Telegram. Once you hit start on the bot, the interface is completely straightforward. There is no confusing jargon. The first step is to open your Quotex platform and find a currency pair that has a high payout. I recommend looking for pairs paying 85% or more. It does not matter if it is a standard fiat pair like USD JPY or if you are trading the Quotex OC market late at night. The bot understands the simulated OTC algorithms just as well as the live market because OTC is purely mathematical. Step 2, select that exact pair inside the Telegram bot menu. Step 3 is choosing your time frame. The bot gives you the ultimate flexibility with options for 5 seconds, 15 seconds, 1 min, 5 min, and 15 min. If you want my personal binary options trading strategy advice, I highly recommend the 5 min time frame for anyone who is not an advanced scalper. The 1 min chart is full of fakeouts, market noise, and sudden spikes caused by minor news events. A 5 min trade gives the algorithm's analysis actual time to play out properly, drastically reducing your stress levels. Once you select the time frame, the bot instantly scans the recent history of that asset. It calculates the buying pressure, the selling pressure, and the hidden support levels. In less than a second, it sends you a signal telling you exactly what to do. It will clearly state the pair, the time, and either up or down. As soon as you receive that signal, you must switch over to your Quotex screen immediately.